Select the layers, right-click, pre-compose. Duplicate the layer twice. Rename the layers blue, green, red. Add the Shift Channels effect to the blue layer. Set Take Red From and Take Green From to full off. Add the Shift Channels effect to the green layer. Turn Take Blue From and Take Red From to full off. Add the Shift Channels effect to the red layer. Set Take Green From and Take Blue From to full off. Set the red and green layers modes to add. Use the arrow keys to offset the red and green layers. Subscribe for more tutorials.